Hi there, Beat the Calculator here, and welcome back to another video. By the end of this video, you'll be able to instantly square any number ending in 5, such as 35 square, all in your head. Sounds cool? Let's take a look. Here's an example, 35 square. First, remember that 5 square is 25. Now, multiply the first number by the next consecutive number. In this case, the next consecutive number to 3 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Finally, join the numbers together to get the answer, 1225. Simple! Let's move on to another example. 65 square. Try and have a go at this one yourself by pausing the video before taking a look at our explanation. Using the same method as before, remember that 5 square is 25. Now, multiply the first number by the next consecutive number. In this case, the next consecutive number to 6 is 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Finally, join the numbers together to get the answer, 4225. Before you get cracking on learning a mnemonic to remember the steps we've covered, along with some practice questions, here's a final example, 105 square. Remember that 5 square is 25. Now, multiply the first number by the next consecutive number. In this case, we actually have 2 digits at the start, so we say that our first number is 10. The next consecutive number to 10 is 11. 10 times 11 is 110. Finally, join the numbers together to get the answer, 11,025. Here's our mnemonic to help remember the trick. These are the steps of the trick. 5 square equals 25, the first number times the next consecutive number, and finally, join the numbers together. Highlighting the first letter of each step, we get F, F, J. Friendly, funny, jellyfish. If you have a mnemonic that you've created, feel free to post it in the comment box below so we can support one another in the Beat the Calculator community. Here are some questions for you to pause and have a go at. Here are the answers. 15 square. We first remember that 5 square is 25. Now, we multiply the first number 1 with the next consecutive number, which is 2. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Join the numbers together and we get 225. Using the same steps, we get the following answers. 45 square is 2025 and 95 square is 9025. 125 square. We first write 5 square, which is 25. Now we multiply the first number 12 with the next consecutive number, which is 13, to get 156. Join the numbers together and we get 15,625. Using the same steps, we get the following answer. 165 square is 27,225. Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Beat the Calculator. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.